So,
the best part of waking up
is going to Starbucks, yeah.
Morning,
what
guys.
What the fuck is up?
Kyle. Today we're going out to just north or west or east or south of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to do a shoot for the Speed Shop out there that's going to be debuting. We're going to make their debut video for them this weekend. Today we're just driving out there and doing some location scouting, and tomorrow we're shooting some rollers all day long with multiple cars, a Viper, a Supra, S300, Continental, a cool old truck.
A Super Forester XT.
Nope. And some other stuff. And then Sunday we'll be in the shop all day documenting him doing some like builds, mock builds. He's filling the room with some cool lighting and fog and stuff like that. He's got some cool old signage and other cars in there. It should be a fun little weekend. We got the van packed to the brim. We got the moto crane. We have my Movi, Ant's Ronin, all of Anthony's equipment, camera, backpack, cases. And also Cody's here.
Woo!
And Anthony's inside Starbucks waiting on the line because, well,
Starbucks sponsor us, please.
But it's Anthony, Cody, and I, like the good old days. We should have some fun this weekend. It should be a good time. And we have a 6-hour drive in front of us to get to Pittsburgh.
Smash that MF like button if you think Chris should stream again.
Hi.
Chris, give us a quick update.
We're still driving.
Okay.
Dun, 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 getting the vlog started. Hey guys, Halkion here.
Guys?
Smash that MF like button if you guys want to see more. Are you recording audio, Chris? I wasn't worried. So yesterday was a travel day. We didn't really vlog much, but we got to the hotel, had some really good burgers, and now we're filming. We got Halcyon, we got Chris Delicious, got Chris on the blue camera with the 24-70, doing cool stuff. We got Anthony Purcell in the background doing stuff on some sticks with a Kinfinity something. There's the gimbalizer, and that's a beautiful Chevy Apache with the turbo motor in it. Look at the focus. Don't forget to stack the layers. Hi, Chris. Oh, damn.
Good? Hell yeah.
Oh my God. Just start talking like inspirational.
Well, don't let your dreams be me.
Don't let your dreams be yours.
I would not try to pull down this cliff. We're
Jump.
in Pennsylvania this weekend, shooting some cool stuff.
I thought we were in Pittsburgh.
Well, yeah, it's in Pennsylvania, it's Pittsburgh.
Oh.
We're shooting a reveal video for this shop called the Standard Speed Shop out here in Pittsburgh. They do some really cool stuff that you guys will see in this video. We're shooting their collection of cars that they've worked on and built and that they own. This is one of them. This is where we're starting out this morning. We woke up this morning like 7. We wanted to use our sunlight this morning, so we didn't start the vlog out till right now. But we're gonna show you guys some BTS this weekend. Not too much, but we have a lot of cool rollers to do. So we want to show you the motor crane in use and us doing rollers. And all of the Standard Speed Shop's really cool cars. So we're gonna do some detail shots here in this park, and then we're gonna go do some rollers all day long. So I know you guys like rollers, so we're gonna do like a little BTS roller session of our day out here with a bunch of cool cars.
Basically, we watched the old RWB vlogs and we got re-motivated to do vlogs.
Even though you guys never really even watch them. But thanks for you that do.
We're gonna link the playlist. Look at that. Oof. Look at that. Look at that. You look so majestic.
What are you doing? Right? Ready? Ready?
Yep. Do it. Boop. Do longer. Hit the boop again.
Yeah.
Wow. That was a fire texture.
Yeah, because this beginning section will probably be like that somber beginning, the drone shot.
Alright, Cody, I'm good when you guys are.
What's up, Chris?
No, you're good. I was gonna. Not you. You're good.
Let me know. Let me know when good.
Ready?
All right, John, go ahead. You're good. Reset for another shot. Chris is down there. Hi, Chris. Ant, John, super cool truck.
from what you guys saw next, we're now getting our motor crane set up. We have the ultra isolator arm right there and the SRB, which is actually already on. We have our rig set up here. We're doing some rear rollers. We'll show you, Cody built a cool front roller setup in the front as well, but we're getting this rear set up real quick for our motor crane. We just left that little spot down there at the park. We're gonna get one roller here on this road, then we're gonna go out of the park to the owner's house, get some rollers on the way to the house with the truck, and then swap out cars. We're gonna have a lot of cars to do rollers up today, so we're gonna go swap out.
Take some slacking.
Yeah, even them up. We're gonna go swap out the cars and do a lot of rollers today, so it should be cool. But we get the motor crane set up. It's one of my favorite parts of the day is doing rollers.
You want vloggy?
Got some rollers real quick. Cody's got vloggy. Oh, hey vloggy.
Hey, here. Transition.
Getting some rollers real quick. Cars behind us. We're gonna go through this covered bridge here, get some rollers through there, and then we're gonna continue. We got our Movi controller here, our Free Fly controller here. We have our Hollyland Mars 400S Pro getting the wireless signal to the camera. Anthony's back there with focus. We're sending an HDMI from my monitor to his monitor because the Highland can convert SDI to HDMI. We're gonna get some rollers now.
Clear.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Hello. All right, so we got to the shop. This is the standard speed shop. This is the owner's shop where he has some more cool cars and an amazing setup inside. We'll show you guys in a little bit. Our next shot is going to be getting this truck coming into the driveway and pulling up to the shop door, which would be cool. And then we're going to move on to using some of his other cars that are in the garage that we're going to show you that are wild. This is one of them. It's got 1 horsepower, but you guys are going to love the inside of his garage, his shop actually. All right, so we're a pretty small shop here. He has only got like 1 lift, but we're gonna probably try to rotate this car out of the it's a little bit bigger. This is the standard speed shop. This is everything, yes, not just 1 lift. These are all the cars we get to play with today, thanks to John capturing some amazing rollers for the promotion of the opening of standard speed shop, which will have already happened once you guys have seen this video. So make sure you go check out the video that we're making, obviously. But here are some of John's collection cars he's worked on as well as some others and what they do here. We'll talk to John later maybe, but we'll see. But we have some of his cars here, a bunch of neon signs. That looks so cool. We're gonna spend all day tomorrow in here capturing a bunch of detail shots, going in all the engine bays. He's got his workstations over here. We're gonna get some like welding, cutting, some examples of stuff that look cool on film. But oh, this place is sick. By the way, it's a 1300 horsepower Supra. Cody,
Krispy.
thoughts?
Holy hell.
You guys can see behind us now is a new car. We've officially swapped out cars. We took the 993 Turbo with us now. We're going to get some rollers of that. We have this one road we scouted yesterday. We're doing our location scouting. That's next to a river that needs to have high light. So we're doing this at like 2, we'll get there at like 2 p.m. so our light is still somewhat high in the sky. And we're just gonna do some rollers up and down this one road. We'll get some aggressive flybys, some fake shifting, and then some audio on the way back, and we'll swap to another car. We'll fill you guys in once we get there. Everything's going well, everything's going smooth. The client's awesome. He's got a sick garage, sick collection, a 1300 horsepower Supra with a turbo bigger than all of our heads combined. We're in the middle of nowhere. So we're relaxing, we're chilling, we're making cool content. It's a good time.
Smash that MF subscribe button.
And the like button.
And the like button.
And the favorite button.
And the notification bell.
And the become a fan button. Three, two, and one. getting a suction cup shot set up for this front window here to run while we run audio on the way back. We just finished getting some cool rollers and flybys of the 993 of the 993. And our audio goes to the engine bay and to the exhaust, and they're coming to the bag here. And then we have suction cup mount triangulation up here for our extra shot. Might as well kill two birds with one stone. Cody, if you're free, can you grab another LP battery? Back at the shop, Porsche is all done. We're going to put the Movi back on the back of the minivan and take out the Supra and the S300 and get some rolling shots of them together. Stop it. 1 sec. Ooh, time to have some fun with these guys with the Supra and the S300. This should be cool. By the way, this thing's 1,300 horsepower. We'll show you the turbo later. It's got a few, a little bit of meaty boys underneath here. A little bit of big meat. That smell. Oh, my eyes are already burning. Jeez. This thing's slow, it looks like, on the inside. I don't know. That's just extra oxygen for him when he gets tired. Yeah, pretty slow.
I'm gonna take the middle of the road. And then what? Just have them play around?
I want to get a shot of just them rolling together.
Just you guys two rolling together, and then once we get that, then you guys can just play around with each other, all right?
Cool.
And then you can do the rolling burnout, okay?
All right, we haven't updated you guys in a while. We've been moving around pretty quickly. We took out the SC300. Now we swapped the whole motor crane rig to the front of the car. We have 2 cups on the windshield, 2 cups on the hood, and our section in the front there. We'll talk about that later. Anyway, we're taking the Supra out now to do a quick chase pull, and then we're taking out something really fun, a little Viper action, but we need to pull it from the Supra because it's just too good. That Supra lead shot we just got was really cool of him just launching it. There's not too many good double lane roads around here, so it's kind of hard to do stuff like that. It's a lot of single lane farm roads, so it's a little bit difficult. It's a lot of single lane farm roads, so it's a little bit difficult to get some front 3/4 or 2 lane flybys or anything like that. We're doing our best. We're moving, trying to get all of our sunlight, trying to get a little bit of cloud coverage now. We're hoping for a nice sunset. Fingers crossed these clouds move out and we get a nice sunset. But now we move on to the Viper.
Go ahead when ready.
Awesome. Great.
Go ahead through the S. Go ahead. Go ahead.
My name's Anthony. I want to get nice and close to the Viper. You guys really gotta get the cluster, because there's the little slither snake that does something cool. Oh, slither snake.
How we doing, Chris?
We're just gonna stay static on this shot real quick.
Okay, we're gonna do a burnout.
We already did.
We're probably gonna. I'm really hoping he does one at the garage.
Alright, our roller day is pretty much wrapped up. We got the car fully broken back down. We're doing some more tomorrow mornings for a little bit, but we did get some really cool rollers today with a bunch of different vehicles. I can't, it's too dark. We got a bunch of cool rollers, a bunch of cool different vehicles, which will make this little 2-minute video really nice. And then tomorrow we're going to be in that shop all day. You'll see all the stuff in that shop. We'll go and look at the cars. We'll go and look at John doing some welding and some action there, and some sanding and some stuff that'll throw some sparks, some grinding. Anthony will go on grinder.
Wingstop,
Shout out Wingstop. But we're going to start tomorrow with a few more rollers, some pickup shots, come back to the shop, do shop shots, and right before sunset, do a few more rollers and possibly some burnouts with some more cars in there. He did send some Viper burnouts today, some Viper burnout / launch kind, which is really cool. But hoping tomorrow we have a nice fat burnout on one of the GMC trucks he's got inside, so that should be cool. But yeah, we're gonna get food now. Nice view.